Welcome everybody. In this video, I would like to show you how to publish a web page websites on a GitHub Pages. This will be simple, straightforward. You don't need to install anything. Just want to show you the initial page. I have nothing, just one tag here, and pages are stored here. Index.html, this is it, and I have images and folder. There is a flower over here. When I double click on this index.html, this page opens. Okay, that's it. I want to publish this on GitHub Pages. I already logged into GitHub Pages. This is my account over here, and I would like to first create a repository using this plus sign. Let me make this. Oh, okay, this should be good. So new repository, whatever you want to say, just name it. I can use flowers. It is available. It's a public. Let me a little bit reduce. This is public or make full screen. That's it. I don't do anything else. Just choose a default and create a repository. The repository is created already. Here I am in flowers repository, and there are things: create a new file or upload an existing file. Of course we want to do this upload. Just click this and it says easily drag and files to add here. So I will just make this smaller. Here it is. You can select all of them with your mouse and drag and drop them here. So index, and it creates folder for you automatically and puts this image over there for you, and also the index.html. Then whatever you want to say, first version, and this is great. Just I will do commit changes. That's done, hopefully soon. So that's the main branch. I don't have any other branches. You can create many branches, but we don't want to complicate things. Let's go make this full screen, and I'm in the code part now. I move to settings. Okay, this one on the very right hand. Settings, when you click here, scroll down and see pages. Okay, and when you come to pages, there are some options over here, but before that I would like to open this code part in another tab just here to showing you there is nothing in here. You see there's no images, and we will see in a second what will happen. So I'm going back to again settings and pages, and I will just choose the branch, which is the main, this one. That's it. I don't do anything else. I don't change anything else here. Just that's it. And this root, I don't have anything else. Again, save. What I have done is only choose this one. It was none before. I choose main and hit save. When I do this, when we go back to here, code, I don't know whether it will do automatically here. No, I will refresh this, go to code. I'm sorry. Here you see this is pending. This wasn't here, if you remember, wasn't there. Now this come, you don't need to click, but if you click it, you will see a lot of things that's happening here, the details and all of them. That's not our job. This is GitHub's job. That's not our job. I'm going back to code, and you will see a green light here, check mark. This means your page is up to date. And when you go to the settings again and go to the pages, you see a link. Yeah, we should be done. Let's go here. Let me refresh this one more time. I should see a check mark over here. Yay, success. So our page is ready. Here is my full path for URL here, flowers. When I open this in another tab, you will see my page is published on my GitHub. That is this much simple. So we published our website. You do the same thing. So here is our repository, and then we go to settings and go to pages and choose this main and then save, and this will be created in a minute. So then you can visit this site if you want, and you can, if you don't want, you can unpublish it. One thing I wanted to tell you, if you look at this page's index.html, and this GitHub automatically picks index.html, you don't need to type this like that. But if you use another name over here in this, instead of index, like a home page HTML or home HTML, main.html, then you need to type here main.html, because GitHub doesn't pick that automatically. So it will be nice to have index.html as a landing page, and if you have many other HTML pages, those should be linked from this one. That's all. Hopefully this will help you and to publish your website on GitHub Pages. That's all. Bye.